Hi, I'm Jim Jenkins, and I wanted to share my latest Easter Island statue project with you. The statue in this video, which is a 13.5 foot tall statue, was fabricated using my interlocking cardboard template kit. This statue is the largest we've made to date so far. Typically, the average size has been 89 inches in height, but this one's 13.5 foot tall, so I'm kind of jazzed about this. 11 years ago, in 2009, I created my first Easter Island template kit and began selling the template kit through two YouTube videos that I posted back in 2010, I believe. I posted links to the original video in the description area below. This video finds me at a point on my Easter Island statue project wherein I just passed the mark of selling 1,100 of these templated statue kits. I've also made around 50 of the physical statues for people. So, I'm both appreciative and humbled, to say the least. I started offering my Easter Island kit as for sale in June of 2009, which was 15 and a half years ago. And I received such an opportunity to see my work literally span across the globe. In the 15 years that I started doing this, I've put up, I think, 12 Easter Island videos and have gotten about 750,000 views. So I mean, it's been something where people have appreciated my work, and I see my work literally in every major country in the world. So I just, thanks for watching. That's what I got to say. And I'm also celebrating the fact of making the largest size statue, 13.5 foot, that's ever been made using my interlocking template kit. Over the years, I've also sold just over 50 ready-made statues that we fully built here in Oregon and shipped to different parts across the nation. Now, getting back to the newest statue project. The fabrication of the statue obviously starts out by using the templates that form the base of the statue, i.e. the chest, the neck, the lower chin areas, which are now installed here. Next, the four templates form the back of the head and the side of the cheeks of the face, as are now assembled. Next, we install the brow support, the brace that stabilizes the face assembly to the chest area. Then the chin and the face area below the eyes are installed. Then the lips and the nose templates are added to the face, along with the area that creates the eyes of the statue, finishing up by adding the ears and completing the top of the statue's head. Now, just a couple of shots of the completed cardboard statue formation, which for this project will not be coated with my fiber reinforced cement. Instead, the statue is being covered by using a urethane spray foam. This is due to the fact that the statue is being made for one trade show and will be discarded immediately following the show. It only really needs to last 3 days, and from a few feet away, this is going to look like cement. It's textured, it's going to be stained, so you're not going to know, nobody's coming up and feeling it, so it works just fine. And also keeping in mind that transporting the item to the show, moving it into the show, setting it up is so much easier with a lightweight, statue. So given that, we're happy that we had the opportunity, and I'm glad that I was able to show you guys this. If you're interested in templates, we sell both the cardboard templates and electronically we sell them, and then we also manufacture statues at different heights. So if you're interested, just give us a call and we'd be happy to serve you. And thanks so much for liking or watching my videos. If you liked it, please share it, subscribe, and like my videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.